it's me, Alicia, with Sanctified Supply Company, and I've got a video that's a little off topic today. I tried recording this a couple hours ago, and I couldn't hold it together, so I've got coffee going. I feel better now. But some of you might have seen my personal Facebook and personal Instagram post about my baby sister yesterday. I'm going to update you guys on what happened to her, what's going on, how she's doing, and the testimony I experienced in the last 12 hours. And for those who are new here, my husband and I, we own a t-shirt business. We COOHMP'd from Southern Oregon to Southern Missouri, and we used our t-shirt business to do it. We sold 500 shirts to get here. We felt called from the Most High to move out of the left coast. And in doing so, we left all of our friends, all of our family, and 90% of our belongings. So we purchased a shed to home and moved on to land we've never been on before. And so we have those videos. I will link them down below. But without further ado, we'll just hop into what this video is really about. And that is my personal post on Facebook and Instagram that I posted yesterday, stating that my baby sister had broke her spine and that I needed to take a trip to Oregon. So we're going to talk about what happened, how she's doing, and the testimony that came with all of this whole experience. I am extremely exhausted, and I do not hide emotions very well on my face. So you probably already know that by now. I'm normally not so tired nor grumpy. I am running off 6 hours of sleep, but I do owe it to you guys to make this video. And thank you for watching. I'm sure my sister will be watching this video. If you want to comment well wishes for her and everything, that would be amazing. I'm sure she'll read them. Anyways, so yesterday afternoon, I got in a text. We have a family chat, and in the chat, my sister just said, "I broke my spine. I need prayer." I blurted out absurdities on the text message and was like, "What is going on?" Called my sister, video chatted my sister, and was like, "Where are you? What happened? Who are you with? Are you okay?" She was in the hospital. She couldn't hardly move. There's a lot of tears, mostly on my end. It's very hard watching a loved one in pain. It is the hardest thing. It's the hardest thing I've ever experienced, to be quite frank. She had, I guess, apparently jumped off. If you guys are familiar with Southern Oregon, she jumped off the Applegate jumped off into the Applegate, off of essentially a cliff, and she broke her spine right where her navel is on the opposite side. So, through her. Broke her spine. Will she be able to walk again? Yes. Is she going to need surgery? No. Praise Yah. Praise Yah. She could have easily drowned. It could have been so much worse. She did lift her head up when she started swimming up, and was like, "I can't move," or something. She said, "I can't swim," or I can't remember what she had told me. But she let the people she knew were with her know that she was not okay. They jumped in, got her, or I think the guy, Eli, was right next to her when it happened. I'm not sure. I don't know the details. Just total what is going on with my sister mode kicked in. We're 12 years apart, and I very much so helped raise my sister. And if you are an older sibling, you already know. And it's hard when your older siblings, your younger siblings. It's just, me and my family are very close-knit. I've had 3 close family members hospitalized this past year, and it has been so hard not being able to just jump and help. It has been so hard not to just be right there for them every step of the way. This was the last one. I was like, nope, y'all will make a way. I'm going to go see my sister. I will find a way. I will ask people to help. And oh my gosh, you guys. I'm not going to cry. I've cried so much in the last few hours. It's been insane. I needed to raise $2,000 to be able to send me, my son, and my husband to Oregon to see our family. We have all been needing to see them. Last time we went, I was literally 5 minutes too late to say goodbye to my grandma, who passed away unexpectedly. It was traumatic. I honestly, when I went there last time, I didn't even want to see anybody. I pretty much wanted to just curl up in a ball and cry. So we were like, we need to take a trip before something bad happens. I literally said this like a week ago. Jerry did. We should take a trip before something bad happens. And then this happened yesterday. I was like, nope, this is it. We're going. I will find a way. We do not have the money, but we will find a way. And so I reached out on my personal pages, and y'all, people out of the woodwork, people I haven't talked to in 10 years, people I went to high school with that I don't even really know, sent me money. And I need $2,000 to send my family. That is like taxes not included, which is fine. I'll figure the rest out. We had people sending me $100, $200, $50, $300, like left and right within a span of just a few hours. We've raised $1,600, which is crazy. I am not the kind of person who asks for help. I don't like to ask for help. And Sam, if you're watching this, you already know. That's pride. That's what she told me. And it's true. It is so true. And there's been 2 instances where I've had to do something like this. Last time was when we COOHMP'd and we asked everybody to buy a t-shirt to help us get here. This time I'm just saying, hey, $5, $10, whatever it is. If you want to buy a shirt, that's awesome too. Share our business if you don't have money. Like literally, just pray. That is the biggest thing anybody can do for us. But as soon as I can get that money together, I'm going to be booking a plane ticket. My sister is going to be okay. Like I said, she's going to be able to walk. She is going to be out of work for a couple months. She's 16. Neve, you're 16 or 17. I'm pretty sure she's 16. She's not going to be able to work for a couple months. And then she's got months of physical therapy rehabilitation ahead of her. Y'all willing, she will blaze right through that, and she's going to be awesome. She's going to be good to go. They were hoping to release her from the hospital yesterday. However, she wasn't able to be released. So keep me in prayers. I go through so much guilt not being with my family. And I know it's from the adversary. I know it's not of Yah. It is not a conviction. I am doing the right thing by following the Father's voice. And the adversary wants to tear me down and make me feel like a POS for doing that. And that's not the truth. And I will also say, though, this for people who are COOHMPing, this is the trials that we face, you guys. And we don't face it alone. The day I feel the most alone, the Father's like, watch this. Every single time. Whether it's, because I mean, we're out here in the wilderness. We know a few people, but it's not like your hometown where you know every single person and you can call your mom and go see her whenever you want. It's hard, but we have, wow, somebody just donated. I'm so thankful, you guys. I'm so thankful. And I love you guys. I will post when I reach my goal on Facebook and Instagram. Let everybody know we're almost there. Hopefully I didn't ramble too much in this video. I am running off of like 6 hours of sleep and am an emotional human being as I'm a female. Yesterday was a hard day altogether. We'd been hit with a couple things that just, when we're doing the things for Yah. My uncle actually posted it in our family chat talking about how like the adversary knows that we're making, like, our family is trying to reach the lost, is trying to do the right things, really loves people and loves Yah and wants to set us back so bad. He wants to set us back. He wants to knock us down, kick us while we're down. That way we don't get back up. But right when that happens, if you just reach out, let people know, hey, I'm going through this. I need help. I need a friend. Call out to Yah. Get on your knees. Seek his face. He'll answer you. He's such a good father. I'm so thankful. Anyways, I love you guys. I'm signing out. I'll see you next time. Check out the links below. Leave my sister a comment if you'd like. Shalom. am a mess, but thankfully I have not uploaded the video yet, so I wanted to just kind of put this in there. We've raised the money. Somebody decided to just bless me and send me what I needed and then some. I'm just blown away. I'm gonna go see my baby sister. I love you guys.